Just Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. How are you today? All of the participants, all of the people, everyone who wants to join this program. Thank you for joining this program. This program is available to anyone, to everyone who wants to explore their English speaking skill. And this program held in every 2 weeks. I mean, twice in a month, every Saturday night. Today, 23rd of October 2021, I would like to discuss with all of you, the participant of this program, the topic of our program tonight. It is think and speak. And then how to think in English and stop translating in your head. That's the title of the topic of our program tonight. Please let me sharing this program to you. I would like to share screen to you about the big concept. I mean the certain concept about this program. Okay, I would like to share to you this topic today. Would you wait for a moment? And then later, I will give you an opportunity to discuss about this program. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Yeah, this is. Would you see on your screen? Perhaps waiting. Okay, that's the topic today. Okay. Is that clear enough? Okay. I would like to start. Think and speak. Okay. Well, the participants, the topic that we would like to discuss today, I would like to just discussing and sharing to you about how to think in English and stop translating in your head. The reason why I bring out this title, it means that several students, I mean several people who just want to learning English, sometimes they still depending to translating from their mother tongue, I mean their mother language, Indonesia, for example, they directly translate to English. It means that in this program, I don't want to give that concept actually. So it means that how to think and stop translating in your head. What should you do? This is, I would like to sharing with you. First, try this. How to think in English and stop translating. Okay, number one, start with small daily activities in English. What does that mean? Start with small daily activities in English. It means that start with a small verb. I mean, start with a certain verb that usually you use in every day, and avoid the translation from your dictionary. And then find any kind of verb, any kind of noun, adjective, or adverb that daily use in your activities. And remember, do not try to speak in Bahasa. Would you try in English? Yeah, just start with a small daily activities. That's number one. And number two, listen to more English. Yeah, start from now, trying to listen podcasts in English, and then any kind of channel YouTube in English, and then TV news, and etc. Even at the first time you didn't know what does that mean, it's okay. But later you can make a conclusion in the middle, and then you know what does that mean. That's enough. You try it every day. And then number three, guess or plan what they will say. It means that at the first time, I mean, in the first 60 seconds, you didn't know about what are they talking about. It's okay. Just guess what they will say, and then also plan what they will say. Just you just guess, and then trying to give a simple response about that. Yeah. And then number four, stop learning only through translation. For example, like this, for example, you just forget the word about teachers. Nah, teachers, it means in Bahasa we say the guru. Yeah. But trying number four, it means stop learning only through translation. Do not find the meaning of teacher in your dictionary, but you're trying with another word, but it was have your own concept. For example, teachers mean someone, a man or a woman, he or she, giving explanation in front of a class, in front of the students, or someone who try explaining or transfer knowledge to the student like this. It means that do not directly find the meaning from teacher to the dictionary in another language. It means in Bahasa. That's the point number 4. Later we discuss, yeah? And then number 5, stop using bilingual dictionary. Now, this is sometimes make we are as the English learner, what is it? Lazy. Yeah? Directly we want to, what is that? What is the sentence in English? Finally, they find dictionary, and then after they found the dictionary, yeah, directly they got it, that word. Directly they got it, the sentence. So from now, stop using bilingual dictionary. It means that trying to think, the first time, think in your own concept, think on your own method, finally you just speak. It means that speaking in your own way. Yeah, um, uh, this is the method, I mean the ways how to stop translating in your head. Number 6, label object. What does that mean, label object? Put important words on object or certain place. Now, label object, it means like this. In your house, I mean, in your place, in everywhere you just give a label object. For examples, the product, not product, just a things in your house. For example, a table or cupboard or any things that in your house, give the label, the name of object, and then not only also the label object, but also you trying to make a sentence, or you trying to correlate, make a relation or correlated with another things, with another object. So put important words on object or certain place, in a certain place, for example, like that. That's number 6. And number 7, talk to yourself in English. Now, this is sometimes, what is it? Not all of the people trying to speak English to themselves. For example, so you talk to yourself in front of the mirror, and then talk about yourself, talk about your personality, talk about, yeah, your likeness, your abilities, for example, or admire yourself in front of the mirror. It's okay. Yeah, and but trying to speak, I mean, trying to talk to yourself. Yeah, every day. Yeah. And then number 8, start thinking with a motto. What does that mean, motto? Motto, it means looks like a quote to support yourself. Now, you see that many quotes now in social media or in Google. Yeah, you find the positive quote, and then you just type, and then you print out, and then you install it, or you put on your wall. I mean, on your bathrooms, or just a certain place in your house, or for example, in the living room or in a family room. So it means that that quote, it is looks like giving you a motivation, giving you a spirit, giving you a support. It means that never ending to learning and speak English. That's mean on number 8. And number 9, learn to develop a new concept in English. It means that avoid translation. Now, this is that I told you, learn to develop a new concept. The meaning of new concept, it means that you trying to find a similar word, or you find a similar statement or similar meaning with your own thinking, with your own mindset. So avoid translation. If you face a difficult word at the first time, you just correlate it with another word in that passage, for example, or in another information. You just correlate it. And then next, number, is it number 9? Oh, sorry, yeah, it's still number 9. Switch your handphone or laptop, a gadget, or other similar devices to English. Now, sometimes we are, that the language settings in our laptop, language setting in our handphone, it is still in our mother language. Yeah, it avoid to difficulties to use it. Nah, so I think it would be better we switch the language in our handphone, laptop, in gadget, or other similar devices into English. It means that we're trying to, what is it? Looks like guess or plan. Oh yeah, this is what does that mean? The purpose of this feature, for example. This is support ourselves. I mean, encourage ourselves want to developing our English speaking. And number 10, make your plans in English. So what will you do for the next time? What will you do to yourself? What will you do for your activity for the next time? Yeah, trying to make a plan in English, your own plans, whatever, for example, personal plans or family plans or whatever your activity. If it means that if you have a lot of activity for the next week, I mean, for next time, for next years, yeah, I mean, you're not only your personal activity but also your family activities. Trying make your plans in English, even it is only in your mindset. It's okay. And the last one, number 11, yeah, try to write down your favorite. What is it, your favorite? It means that your favorite song, your favorite movies, your favorite novel, and etc. in English. For example, you just listening your favorite song and then trying write down the lyric of the song and then tell the story inside with your own ways. Or perhaps after you watching movies, yeah, after you watching movies, it's about the duration 1 until 2 hours, and then after that write your favorite movies and then tell the stories inside with your own ways. Yeah, what does that mean with your own ways? Yeah, telling with your own mindset, even it is, yeah, not 100% correctly or same with the original story. It's okay, doesn't matter. The most important it is, the most important it means you can telling the story, you can explore your English speaking ability. It means that what is in your mindset in thinking and then directly say it by speaking English. So that's the meaning, how to think in English and stop translating in your head. Thank you for your attention. Yeah, that's for sharing of our topic today. Perhaps later, if you need this PowerPoint file, I would like to share to you. Okay, now we start for discussing. Who wants to first? Who wants to be the first to sharing your opinion about how many others? 11 or 12, yeah? Oh, yeah, actually 12. But I said I read 9 twice, yeah. Okay, 12, I want to say, look like steps, yeah. But not step, it is my own method, it means try to this. So avoid translations, start for thinking, and then delivering, and then speaking what is in your mindset. Okay? Well, participant who wants to become the first to join this program sharing the opinion. Okay? Is that pictures of hand, 5 hands in your pictures, in your screen? On your screen, that's a picture. Okay, we start with Anggi. Hello, Mbak Anggi. How do I call you? Mbak or Ibu? Oh, no, yeah. Ibu is too old. Miss Anggi.
Open your camera, Anggi.
Okay. Would you share your opinion? Did you follow my explanation from number 1 to number 11? Actually 12, yeah. Okay. So, would you sharing your opinion, Mbak Anggi?
Sebelumnya
Your microphone. Would you turn on your microphone, Mbak Anggi? The picture of microphone. Okay. Okay. Start for speaking. Okay.
sebelumnya sorry Pak Anggi tadi masuknya agak terlambat jadi materinya kurang ini Pak.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. It's okay lah. You know the title. The title of our program tonight it is how to think in English and stop translating. Stop translating
Yes.
in your head. I will give you illustration, Mbak Anggi. For example, like this. You know the word teacher, Mbak Anggi? Teacher?
Yes, I know.
Yeah. It means that mostly student Or another people, if they look at teacher, oh, I don't know what is the meaning of teacher, and then they look at searching on their dictionary, oh, teachers, yeah, I know the meaning guru. No, it means that stop translating like that. Start with your thinking and speak. What does that mean? Teacher. Oh, teacher. I know teacher. It means that someone, a woman or a man, standing in front of the class, explaining about the lesson materials to the student like this. Nah, this is, I said that stop translating. Yeah. Okay, Mbak Anggi. So what is your opinion, Mbak Anggi? Perhaps you want to sharing, you have your own method perhaps. Okay, Mbak Anggi. Time is yours. The microphone.
Some of my students live in the isolated area, sir, so the connection is not very well, actually.
But thank you, Pak Zulkarnain. You invite your students to join this program. I really very grateful to you tonight. Okay, perhaps we can
This
start from
become
Pak
our
Zul. Yeah.
agenda. I discussed our. Yeah, I understand. Actually, this meeting I have discussed to English teachers at our school and also with my principal in the course that
Mm-mm.
it's our routine. Every 2 weeks, I will invite all of my students and alumni of our schools also to join this program.
Thank you. Thank you.
So like every meeting, they will give me a report what's happening. So it is a must for them to follow this program, whether they want it or not.
So I can share the link YouTube, Pak Zul, for our meeting on 9th of October. Yeah, because I divided that video until 6 part, perhaps. Yeah, and then the students can follow for the next program, and then yeah, just sharing, explore their English ability. Okay, you can continue, Pak Zul.
There later there will be some of my students maybe here in a course they will speak more about our topic today. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Dodi, for your chance and all of my students and also Miss Sundari. Um, it's glad to say that it's my second time to be here. It's a very interesting topic today. Even like me myself, I realized that I'm a kind of person that also put Indonesian as my very, very first priority while I'm speaking English. Like sometimes as an Indonesian, born Indonesian, also our mother tongue is Indonesian, we
Yeah.
keep thinking that word into Indonesian first, right?
Mm-mm.
Any kind of situations even.
Yeah, I
Um,
agree. Mm-mm.
yeah, the way I think is very sweet with your PowerPoint just now, sir. I
Mm-mm.
do apply that in whole life, all career as a teacher also. Like, stop translating, stop using dictionary. Glad to say that in our course, in Dumai that while I'm teaching right now,
Mm-mm.
the students are not allowed to use Indonesian dictionary. Indonesian to Indonesian dictionary. If they wanted to
Yeah,
use it or they must for them to use it, it must be English to English,
yeah.
like that one.
It's
It's a
like
way.
Oxford Dictionary. Yeah. Mm-mm.
Yes, Oxford
Mm-mm.
Dictionary. It's a way that actually far way better to help our students to
Yeah,
know and to build up the new vocabularies for them.
yeah,
So when they got a new word, they don't they will analyze that by the meaning of the word in English too.
yeah,
By then I think it helps them to grow their vocabulary. That's the first. The second uh, is what you told just now about switching the language into English in all aspects, like in our
yeah,
Google, in our
yeah,
phone.
yeah.
It's the most thing that the student have to do.
Mm.
Because as we know that, especially all of my students coming from accounting programs
Yeah,
and management office, all of the programs in the computers sponsored, I mean, like all used in English.
yeah,
So a must for them to know the simple comprehensions of the statements or even how to do something, how to deal, how to fix and kind of it. I think
yeah,
that's the thing. And then back then to ourselves, it is kind of habit, sir.
yeah.
I always say to all of the students, English is your habit. Be as the habit is like if you don't eat, you will be hungry. If you don't drink, you will feel thirsty. So if you started by you yourself, it will
Mm.
be so much easier to
Yeah.
develop a better English and start thinking you are as an English native speaker. Okay, I think that from me. Okay, too.
Okay, Pak Zul, nice illustration. Yeah, it looks like a big, huge of food. Yeah, but do not
Yeah,
eating that food. Yeah, directly. Yeah, so start with a small one. Okay.
yeah, start with a small one.
Yeah. Thank you, Pak Zul, for the first sharing opinion. Thank you for the illustration to responding the topic today. Perhaps we would like to going to another participant. This is turn on the camera. Mas Mario. How are you, Mas Mario?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, you're
Okay, you're
welcome.
welcome.
Do you
Do
follow?
you follow?
Did you
Did
follow
you
my
follow my
presentation
presentation
in a
in a
PowerPoint file?
PowerPoint file?
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thank
There
you.
are
There are
my sharing
my sharing
opinion. Yeah,
opinion.
there are
Yeah, there are
12
12 uh,
way or
way
step
or steps
how to
how
stop
to stop
translating
translating
and then
and then
in English.
in
Yeah, I
English.
mean
Yeah,
how
and
to
then
think
how
in
to
English
think in
and
English
stop
and stop
translating in your
translating
head.
in your
So
head.
it means that
So it
how
means that
to
how to
encourage or
encourage
improve our
our
mindset in
mindset in
exploring our
exploring
English
our
speaking
English speaking
ability.
ability.
Okay, Mas
Okay,
Mario, would
Mas
you
Mari, what
sharing
you
your
sharing your
opinion?
opinion?
Time is
Time
yours.
is yours.
Yes, first of all, uh, I may be doing the 12 or 11, uh, 12 in my daily activity, but
Yeah.
I have two problem in case I have two problem about what you, Mr. Dodi,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Said the first is about how to pronounce people names because in
Okay.
English
Okay.
there are many ways to pronounce them.
Mm.
And the second
Yeah.
is about putting labels on equipment. It
Okay.
maybe will make my parents angry.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
number
that's number
foot level. It is
level.
number
It is
6. Yeah,
number 6. Yeah.
that I told you. Oh yeah,
That's
number 6.
number
Level
6.
object.
Level of check.
Okay. Okay. So it's only two. Okay, I would like to
Okay.
Yes.
respond. Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you for
Thank
joining
you for joining
Mas
us.
Mario. Okay, I would like to
Okay.
give you the response about what you said for the first one. It is how to pronounce. One thing that you should know, Mas Mario, every person's in the world, they have their own accent. What is it? Style of speaking. One place with another, or one country with another, they have their own accent of style. But it doesn't matter. The most important in communication it is how to make another person understand. That's enough. It means that if you just make another person difficult to understand what you said about your pronunciation, it's okay, doesn't matter. You can find with another that I told you, find the similar statement, find the similar explanation from that word. For example, that I told you at the first time about teacher, for example. If you just how to make another people difficult to understand about teacher, now you find it with another explanation from your own ways. For example, like this, Mas Mario. The person standing in front of the students or standing in front of the pupils, for example, it could be man or a woman, and then explaining the lesson materials in front of the students. That's we call teachers. Or you can find it with another statement. This is, I told you, stop translating, but trying to think first. What is another word, another statement of teachers in your mindset? Okay, for example, we find another word. For example, what is it? You know, lawyer. Okay, lawyer, for example.
Yes.
If
Pengacara.
directly you, okay, pengacara. If you directly at that time, oh, what is the meaning of lawyer? You find dictionary and then find it, directly you find it. Oh, this is the meaning of lawyer. It is pengacara. No, the point of this topic today, do not like that. It means that do not find, I mean, avoid translation in your dictionary, but find it. What is it? Lawyer. Lawyer related with law. Related with law, it means how to protect the people in the justice. In the justice. Okay. Then you arrange, you combine, and then you make a structured text or the language function about lawyers. After that, you telling the story inside with your own ways, with your own mindset. Finally, you have your own definition about lawyer, but you have to make the correlation with another statement. This is my response, Mas Mario. Okay, number one. And number two. Yeah, you said that your mother angry now. The meaning of label object, it means like this, Mario. Every I want to say product or things, yeah. Okay. You just difficult to remember with that object. What kind of object that you just difficult to remember? You always forget it to remember that project, that things, yeah, that noun in your house. Now, finally, you find that things and then give the label of that things. Now, the label, it means that do not only the names but also the function, and then what is the purpose of that things. Now, you don't have to type and write it a lot of looks like a paper on that things. No, but you try and talk to yourself. For example, like this, salt. Now, you have a salt, mostly yourself or your mother put in a salt in, what is it? Small bottle, yeah? Is it in a small bottle? Yeah. And then mostly housewife, yeah, or our mother at in the kitchens write it salt like this. It's okay. But one thing that you should know, salt. What is the purpose of salt? Oh yeah, this is for seasoning. This is trying to thinking in your brain, Mas Mario. Oh yeah, salt. The purpose of salt. What is why many people always put the salt in every cuisine, in every food, for example, like this. And then salt is a very have a services to many food. What is it? Every time the food after cooking, salt never mentioned. Is it true, Mas Mario? Nah, this is what is it? The thinking like this, it's very large, Matiko, because every person can have a, what is it? A wild thinking, yeah. Yeah, this is salt, and then you can serving your brain about salt, and then in your brain there are many words, many sentences about salt. You just collaborate it, and then you arrange every words and every sentence of salt. So you don't have you don't have only put the label, but also you very rich or enrich your vocabulary about salt. Okay, I would like to try, Mas Mario. Would you make a sentence by yourself about salt, Mas Mario?
What kind sentence?
Salt, for example. Yeah.
Salt.
The object salt. Trying to explore your mindset. What do I say about salt? Okay, trying to one or two sentences about salt. What you trying, Mas Mario?
Sentence like, I want to buy some salt, like that.
Okay, what is in your mindset now? If you listen salt in your brain, what is the new concept in your brain if you hear or if you listen or if you watch about salt? Trying to,
Of course, if I think about salt, I think of food.
a food. It's okay. Now this is that I told you. If you found salt, do not directly translate. Would you try? Oh, what does that mean? This is level object. It means there are many words in your brain to explore about sentence of salt. This is only the example. Okay, Mas Mario, do you have any opinion? Another?
Nothing yet.
Okay, thank you for joining. Yeah, you remind me about what is it? Trying to avoid the translating. You can try by yourself that 12 method or ways that about stop translating in your head. Thank you, Mas Mario, for joining. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about another participants? I see. This is my old student, Mujib Al-Fatih. Hello, Mas Mujib. Hello, Mas Mujib. This is on my
This
screen.
person.
Hello, for another participant. Okay, I hope you later join this program. What about another? Okay, Pak Zul.
Okay,
Go
come
ahead.
here. There will be my
Yeah.
students. 5 of my students will give their opinions.
Okay, thank you for joining this program. It's really grateful. Hi, is it Tasya?
Fania.
Oh, Tania. Okay,
Fania.
Tania, would you share your opinion about our title, our topic today, Mbak Tania?
Can you show the topic of your PowerPoint? Can you show
Okay.
it? Sir, actually, my student want to see the title, sir. By the
Oh,
PowerPoint. What is it? Can you say it one more time?
okay. Here, I would like to sharing, yeah. Once again, to sharing to you. Just wait for a moment. Okay, this is Mbak Tania. Okay.
I
Okay.
didn't get ready. What? Irene, second.
You can see
Where?
that on your screen? Can you see on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this is Mbak Tania. Okay. Now, this is the title. Think and speak. The topic of our program tonight, it is how to think in English. After how to think and then stop translating in your head. It means that trying to find a similar word or similar sentence in your head, do not directly find the meaning to your dictionary. After that, trying to speak. Now, this is try this. How to do that? I have what is it? 12, yeah, 12 step. I want to say steps or methods or ways. Yeah, it's okay. It's up to you. You can do that. This is number 1 until number 5. You can see on your screen. And then this is number 6 until number 9. And this is number 10 actually. Sorry, I just wrong make write the numbers. This is number 10 until number 12. Yeah, I would like to change. Okay. Okay, from number 1 till number 12, Mbak Tania, perhaps one steps or one way you have want to sharing your opinion. Okay, I would like to stop the screen, share screen. Okay, time is yours, Tania. Hello.
Okay, hi and
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, Mbak Tania, time is
For
yours. Go
me,
ahead. Don't be shy.
the way how I think in English and think without translating it is
Yeah,
actually I have a lot of friends who speak English, and
yeah.
sometimes they also teach me the grammar
Mm-mm.
and how to speak properly.
Mm-mm.
Also, I also hear music with English subtitle, or
Good.
maybe watch movies with English subtitle.
Yeah.
And also sometimes when I was talking to myself, I use English actually. I use English to talk with
Two thumb
myself.
for you, Mbak Tania. Two thumb for you. Very nice. Okay. Now I want. I'm sorry, yeah. I want the evidence. Yeah. I want to prove that. Would you tell me one of your favorite song, and then tell me the storytelling inside that favorite song with your own way, Mbak Tania? What kind of song?
What is all about?
Yeah. Do you have your favorite song? Would you mention one only one favorite song? Your very, very favorite song. What is it?
Nervous.
Nervous. Okay.
Um,
Who is the singer? Who is the singer? The international
The
singer.
DPR. Yeah.
Okay. Nah. Okay. Tell me the the lyric. The contents of that favorite song with your own way, with on your brain. Okay. Go ahead.
With the title actually not written nervous, but Nerves. So nervous.
Nervous. Okay. What is the content
The
inside?
name
Pak? Mm-mm.
It's about relationship actually. About
Relationship.
relationship
Mm-mm.
and actually the guy that hasn't
Uh-uh.
moved on, hasn't
Oh,
moved on to the
see.
girl.
Yeah, I
And,
cannot move to another, yeah? To another heart.
and
Mm-mm.
the
And
guy wants to meet the girls, but he's too nervous to meet her.
nah.
But he
Oh,
always sit at the first play them night.
good. That I told you, but Tanya, if you try to practice like that, you can challenge with your own. So, how do you feel? Is that there is no, what is it? Looks like I have to arrange like this the word by bilingual by dictionary. So you can tell like that. It was started from your brain, from your heart. Is it true, but Tanya? Yeah. How do you feel?
Yeah.
Is it, yeah, looks like you express that for your own original feeling. Is it true, Mbak Tania?
Yes.
Yeah, good. That's that's the purpose of this program actually. I want to, what is it? I do not I want to make. I want to invite a lot of teenagers, a lot of students. Please stop translating in your head. Just try to think and then you express your feeling, what is in your brain, in your side. Okay, thank you, Batania, for joining. I hope all of the teenagers and another young generations have inspiration what you did. Thank you, Batania, for joining. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah, big
Thank
applause.
you. I okay, Irene.
Okay, perhaps another participants who want to joining. Come on. Hello. Still?
One more, sir.
Oh, one
A
more.
lot.
Okay. It's okay. Thank you. This program it is for anyone who wants to explore their ability. Okay. Would you introduce yourself? Hi. Hello. Okay, go ahead. Would you introduce yourself? How do I call you?
Hello. You can call
Hello.
me Irene.
What's your name?
Hello, my name is Irene Chua. You can call me Irene.
Irene, sir. Irene.
Irene. Oh, yeah. But in Bahasa, in style of speaking, it's different with in language. Yeah. How do I call you? Iran or Irene? Irene, yeah. Okay, Irene. Did you follow my explanation in PowerPoint file? Yeah, from 12 steps that I sharing to you, perhaps one steps or one ways that make you interesting. Would you share your opinion?
Sometimes
Okay, go
I
ahead.
think
Mhm,
sometimes I think English is an international language. I want
mhm,
to learn.
mhm,
I want to learn English and I want to increase my English,
mhm.
especially my grammar. I'm really
Yeah.
bad at grammar, so I try to
Mhm,
watch English movies
mhm,
and like drama
Korean dramas
Korean dramas
with English subtitles.
with
mhm.
English
Korean
subtitles.
dramas. Okay, nice. So it means that you are Korean drama fans, yeah? Uh, yeah. It's okay, Byron. Now, like this, I want to know your what is it? Your mind concept about Korean drama. Would you try, for example, like this, telling the content story about Korean drama? Would you telling in English, but do not by the text script like that? That's from your original feeling, from your original concepts. Uh, would you try to sharing, Mbak Irene?
I love to watch a drama, Korean drama, like
Mhm.
it's the genre is like
Romance.
romance,
Okay, then.
and
One of them like just one.
Is that the
like there.
content story about Korean drama? Have you got an experience by yourself, by Irene? Perhaps you feel that in
Like
the experience in yourself.
there's a man, and
Yeah.
then he met he met a woman in the
Uh-huh.
park.
Okay.
Then uh and then a woman that thinks he is a crazy man
Okay.
because the man is come from another world.
Okay. Another word. Okay. That's very nice. It means that by Irene, you what is it? You can explore your favorite. It is not only Korean drama, but also another one, for example, TV news or podcast in English. Nah, and then trying to explore your abilities in English. Okay. Thank you, Irene, yeah, for joining. Have a nice day. Thank you for joining. Okay, thank you, Fazul, your students. Is it another student?
Sam,
Another one?
Fari,
Okay.
one more second. My beloved student. The
Oh,
only
your
man.
beloved student. What makes he special?
Actually, all of my beloved.
Okay,
Because
hello. How do I call
been
you?
with me for 5 years.
5 years?
Been teaching him.
Okay. How do I call you? Hello. My name's
My name is
Dodi. You can call me Mr. Dodi. Okay. Would you introduce yourself?
my name is Parifel Saputra. I'm from SMK
Okay.
2 Negeri Dumai.
Okay. If you follow my explanations, yeah, from number 1 to number 12, which steps or which ways that makes you interesting, Mas? How do I call you, Mas?
Fahri Fiaril.
Farid.
You
Okay, Faril.
call Fahri.
Faril. Okay. From number 1 till number 12, Mas Faril. Which one steps or ways that make you interest?
For me, how to prove our English when we were from Indonesian and how to think that we are from
Other people, other countries.
other country.
Mhm.
I always watch.
Yeah.
Right.
It's okay. Yeah.
How to what did you do?
Usually, I watch movie from Disney or some movie from Netflix that use English
Subtitle.
Yeah.
without subtitle, so I can improve my English too, like
How to
how to
pronounce?
pronounce that and practice there.
Yeah. It's okay. That's very nice. Without subtitle. It means that the most important, see, avoid translation. It means that after you watch Mas Faril, yeah, after you watch that Netflix movies or another kind of cartoon, it's okay. But the most important, you have your own mind concept. Oh yeah, the what is it? The chronology of this story about this, and then you create it by your own word, by your own statement, and then you can telling the story, yeah, very fluently without any kind of concept. Looks like scenario. No, so it means that you delivering looks like, oh yeah, you can telling by your own way, with your own way. That's uh, the the purpose of this topic today. Stop translating in your head. You can delivering with your own ways like this, Mas Faril. Thank you ya, Mas Faril, for joining this program today to sharing your opinion. Hello, good. Have a nice day. Good evening.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Mas Zul. Okay, I want to hear another participant on my screen. Desi Ayu Lestari and Nur Hasana or Ibu Sundari. Would you turn on your camera, please, and then joining this program, then sharing your opinion. Come on, for another participant. Hello.
Come on, Desi.
Halo, Nur Hasana.
Sir,
Okay.
Mister, can I give one more question?
Okay. Go ahead, Mas Mario.
Actually, all of them are.
Yeah, okay, time is yours. Time is yours, Mas Mario.
So I don't like to discriminate, but as well as we all know, there are many difference between people who tutor or private teachers and people who learn in English only from school and social media. But
Yeah.
in your statement about 12, can
Yeah.
this be applied to people who only study in school and social media?
Yeah. Okay, that's enough?
Yes.
Yeah, actually like this, Mas Mario. The purpose of this topic, it means that the 12 steps that I show you in my PowerPoint file, it means like this. Sometimes the power of thinking and speaking, thinking has the great potential power to create 1,000 words in your mind. Sometimes the most important, they are really afraid to explore, really afraid to deliver, but actually in your mindset there are a lot of words. Is it true or not, Mas Mario? Yeah, I want to say like this. I want to say like that. It means that you have your own concept actually. So it means that the point of stop translating in your head, it means that it's okay. At the first time you can see what is that meaning, yeah. But in another ways, I mean, in another times, you try to create your own concept. It means you can deliver your brain, your ideas. It was very fluently from your own mind concept. It is different if the students now, yeah, if they find the definitions, that's easy. Browsing in Google, after that, copy paste, and then translating bilingual. Google Translate 100% can do that and never mistake. But what is the impact, the positive impact for the users like yourself? For example, like this. You found the passage, Mas Mario. That's English passage. After that, you copy it, that passage, and then you put in the Google Translate. Not until 60 seconds, you got the meaning. Is it true, Mas Mario? Now, after you got the meaning, so you copied that all of them. But what is the purpose of your brain? What is the function of your brain? You have a lot of power for thinking. It means that if you're just difficult, you correlate it with another word in one passage and then trying to delivering to express your opinion by your own style. This is, I tell you, telling story inside with your own way. So the definition, it is definition of Mario. Do not definition of public like this. So Mario have your own original concept of thinking. That's what I mean, Mas Mario. Are you agree enough, Mas Mario?
Yes.
So it means that, yeah, okay.
So that's mean it's not about the English, but the people who want to learn, right?
Yeah. So like this. If you want to explore, it means that how to make it fluent. For the basic, for example, for the beginner, it's okay. For the beginner, for the novice, imitating, it was the first step. What is it imitating? In Bahasa, we call menirukan. Yeah. Okay, imitating. And then you add your vocabulary every day. It's okay. And then find the vocabularies that related with daily activities. Yes. Now, for later, for the next step with a higher level, it means that you're trying to explore your brain. What is that? The title, this thing. You know, our thinking, our brain, it is have a great potential to, what is it? To solve, have a great potential for problem solving, Mas Mario. So that's why. So why we don't use our thinking? Why we don't use our brain to do that? So it means that find it with a lot of word to that, and then arrange, and then finally you have your own definition. This is, I told you, originally thinking from ourselves. So like Pak Zul students, you know, Tania can explore her expressing because she likes that what is it, movie or songs, yeah, Pak Zul, she likes the songs, and then every day she sings that songs, and then what is the content of the songs of Korea drama, the songs, and then finally she expresses it with her own ways. This is, I told you, stop translating, Mas Mario. And this is could happen in the students or public or anyone, the people, for everyone, the people who wants to explore their English speaking. Like that, Mas Mario. I'm sorry if it is not enough. That's my own opinion. And I agree, Mas Mario, every teachers, every tutors, it is have their own characters. Yeah, like today, the character of Pak Zul, it is perhaps so different with my characters. But the most important in English, the point of communications, you can express your ideas, how to make another people understand. That's the most important. You follow, I mean, you use your grammatically, it's okay. But how to make the people, you just directly make the people confused? No, it is not the core of communication. It is, Mas Mario.
Listen,
Thank you, yeah,
Mario. Let's
Mario, for joining. Okay, two time of you. Okay, another participant or back again to Pak Zul? Perhaps you want to sharing again, Pak Zul.
Okay, for the last maybe, sir. I'm totally proud of my students, Mario, and all of my students here joining Google Meet. I know some of them follow because they wonder of me. Tomorrow I will get angry on Monday if there is no report. It's our
So this program, it is becoming, what is it? If you don't follow this program, I will give you a punishment like that.
Because sir, they got 8 hours English class in our school. Like these are my students accounting. Yeah. So I think they are so special in that school because they got 8 hours English lessons compared to others majors like only 4 hours. So perhaps also they also learn Mandarin and English also with me 2 hour more out of the English subjects in that school. And I hope they follow this, they know more things that maybe I can't give to them. That's why it's so much important nowadays to know English properly, not as only know a bit, but growing in advance. I always say to them that you will be nothing in your online if you don't know English, because not only you are good in accounting or Mandarin, but you don't know how to propose your life, how to speak with the people actually come to our place to study more. I mean, to work here. So do not lose your chance to work in a perfect company. I said those ways to all of my students, Mario, Andy, Indah, some others. Maybe that's also.
Thank you, Pak Zul. You just invite your students to following this program. So I'm really grateful. Yeah, I'm really grateful that this program will be supported by your students. Okay, thank you, Pak Zul. See you for the next meeting. Yeah, perhaps at the first week of November next month. Yeah. Thank you, Pak Zul. Yeah, for sharing your opinion and sharing your time today. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. Perhaps for another participant still joining this program, Ibu Sundari Fitri, and then Nur Hasana, and Desi Ayu Lestari, also Irfan Rianto. And also another participant, please turn on your camera. Would you sharing your opinions about our topic today, how to think in English and stop translating in your head. Okay, time shows 9:18. Yeah, actually this is 3 hours. Sorry, 3 minutes passing. As usual, the time that determined before at 8:15. Okay, I will give a chance, one opportunity again. Would like to sharing your opinion? Nur Hasana, you just a few times ago you turned on the camera, or Mbak Anggi, or Desi Ayu, or Sundari Fitri. Would you turn on the camera? Okay. No participants? Oh yeah, Desi. Thank you for joining this program. Desi Ayu Lestari. How do I call you? Desi or Ayu? Is it your student, Pak Zul? No?
Yes,
Desi.
sir. Grade 10
Oh,
students.
oh yes, student. Okay. Thank you, Mbak Desi, for joining this program. Would you like to say something about this program and also about this topic today? Our topic today. Go ahead, Mbak Desi. Hello.
Someone just use a simple way. Don't know more English, just speak a bit Indonesian. It's okay.
It's okay, Mbak Desi. If you just have just a little confused, you can combine it with your mother language. Yeah. Okay, combine it with your mother language. The most important it is start from your own original thinking. Yeah. Do not from another source. Okay, Mbak Desi, go ahead. Time is yours. Hello, Mbak Desi. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, turn on the camera. Sorry, turn on the microphone, your own microphone. Okay, go ahead. Yeah?
My name is Desi.
Okay. Okay, would you sharing something, Mbak Desi? Okay, it's later, yeah? You try to encourage yourself for the next time. Yeah, turn off the camera. Oh, another participant perhaps, because the time is, we have very limited time. Okay, Mbak Desi again. Would you listen? Would you like to say something? Still shy, Pak Zul, perhaps. Okay, another participant, Ibu Sundari or Nur Hasana. I will give you one opportunity again because the times shows 9:21 p.m. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry because I have to stop this program for tonight. Okay, and then I would like to give you a conclusion about our topic tonight. The conclusion, it means that start with small daily activities in English. It means that stop translating in your head and then listen to more English. Looks like podcast, YouTube, TV news, and etc. And then also guess or plan what they will say. And then stop learning only through translations. And then stop using a bilingual dictionary. And then label objects, put important words on object or a certain place in your house or in your place. Talk to yourself in English. Start thinking with a motto or quotes to support yourself. And then learn to develop a new concept in English. Avoid the translations and then switch your phone, your handphone, laptop, gadget, or another similar device to English. And then make your plans in English and also try to write down your favorite songs, movies, novel in English and tell the story inside with your own ways. So that's the conclusions of our topic today. hopefully you enjoy this program, and then see you for the next meeting, Mbak Anggi. Sorry. Yeah, I hope you can join again. Yeah, this program. I
Yes.
will. Yeah, I will hold again this program 2 weeks later after now. It's about, I think, the first week of November. The first week of November. So because I held it twice in a month. Thank you, Mbak Anggi. Thank you, Mas Mario. Thank you, Pak Zul, for joining this program. I'm really grateful. I'm very grateful you just joining this program. This program is available for anyone who wants to explore your English ability. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend, and goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah, thank you.
So much for
Yeah.
your experience.
You can leave this meeting. Thank you, Mbak Anggi. Thank you, Pak Zul. Thank you, Mbak Nur Hasana. Okay, Pak Zul, I have another program with my family.
Yeah.
Tonight is Saturday night. Yeah, my son and my daughter start from this afternoon. We have what is it? A family time. Father,
Okay.
we have a family time to hanging out, to spending
My
our
family
Saturday
time.
night. Thank you, Pak Zul. Yeah, have a nice weekend. See you for the next time. Yeah. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Good. Yeah. Good night.
Good night.